Hey, I'm Elizabeth Henson with the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here at 5356 Anna Lane in the Townes of Northriver. This 3-story, 5,500 square foot home boasts 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, a game room upstairs, and a second living space in the basement. Luxury finishes throughout the house include solid oak floors, 7-inch crown molding, marble countertops, and so much more. For more information about this beautiful home, give me a call. Elizabeth Henson at the Gray Group at Keller Williams Realty, 205-861-3424.